The 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, tow hitch, backup camera, Bluetooth, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats, four-wheel drive. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.